See, I think this will be a good one. It's got pollen and nectar, and I'll trade it out with one of these. And encourage them to go up top, hopefully. Start drawing up here. Just hold it there. Might even take this one too, since it's a new one. Yeah, this one don't have any cat brood, so they don't need I guess the extra insulation or warmth from the other bees on the other frames, so no harm, no foul here. Sorry, girls. There we go. Watch out. There we go. Got him a new fresh frame here. And we'll take this guy. Well, let's fix this real quick. There y'all go. There's 10 frames there. Put it there, and then we'll take this one too. Let's make a spot. I'll put it right here. Just do 3, boom, 2, boom. New frame, I believe this is the new one. Like that. So I don't want to put two new ones next to one another. Try to checkerboard it, as they say. But I don't want to put an empty frame next to a frame full of brood. So that one's pretty empty anyhow, so I'll probably do new frame, old frame, new frame. I'll slide our new frame right in here. So this is a new one. I'm gonna try to put a mark on it. That way I know they're new, and I know this one is new. So 1, 2, 3 new ones, and then 4 new ones. There we go. Okay. Slowly push them back together. Okay. I have to push it a little bit more. Watch out, girls. And we'll put this old frame back. I'll flip it around for them. It's all nasty anyway. Slowly slide that one back. And we're pretty tight over here, so I'll have to make a little more space by pushing them like that. I'll push this one too, nice and slowly. about the same amount of space. Watch out. It looks about the same. Alright, looks good. Now we got 2 nectar frames up top. Hopefully it encourages them to come up. We got 2 brand new frames down here. 2 semi-new 3 weeks ago. I put them in there. They're working on them good. So that's about it. I'm gonna smoke them, put the top back on. That'll be it. So we'll get our smoke going again. Nice and slowly put this back on. Okay. Good deal. Space our frames up here. These aren't stuck together like the bottom ones, so they're pretty easy to move. Well, I say they are. Right amount of space. For me, it's about tip of the finger. There we go. We'll put our top back on. Nice and slowly. Oh, beetle. Smashed him. All right, there we have it. Our inspection is done.